Hey, welcome to Performance Vacuum. Please like and subscribe to this video. We're going to show you how to put together the SEBO Softcase. The only tool that you're going to need is a Phillips number 2. I recommend using a good quality Phillips screwdriver, as a poor quality Phillips screwdriver will not have a proper tip on it. PB Swiss is always a great brand to go with. So we're going to go ahead and put together the Softcase. Assuming you've taken it out of the box and you have everything here, you'll have a bag of 4 screws, the handle, bag, the manual, the cord. All right, as far as assembling this, the first thing you want to do is take your Softcase and just, after unzipping the bag, you're going to push firmly right here on the base of the machine. You'll feel and hear some clicks. And then we're going to put a screw in there. And that screw is going to go right here. Make sure the screws. All right, next we're going to take the handle and the electrical cord. I'm going to just drop that in. And then the handle's going to slide in here and through this. So it's going to sandwich everything. So we're going to put the handle in. Now drop the electrical cord, funky end down. Before we insert everything, we're going to go ahead and plug in the electrical cord. Like so. I'm going to weave it in and out. This nice little path that SEBO put right there. There's one more here behind the bag dock, don't forget that. Now before we put anything down, you're going to close that door. Everything's going to nicely snap into place, like so. See how all that is? And then our holes are now lined up. I'm going to take our 2 big screws, put them in here. Make sure everything's snug. Next, we're going to take the bag. And as we're putting this bag on, it's going to rock on. So you're going to take the bottom tabs, put that in, rock the bag on, it'll lock over. You want to make sure it's completely locked in right there on the bottom. To remove the bag, all you do is pop that off like so, and then there's a nice closure tab. Again, rock the bag on so you hear the click, tuck everything in, zip up your Softcase, make sure you don't zip up the bag. To attach the handle, again, you'll need a Phillips number 2. You're going to use the short screw. You're going to insert the handle. You're going to then put your screw on. Just like so. Now the handle has a trick to it. You can pop this off. See that it hinges like so. That'll hinge open. You want to, not tightly, but with slack. What you want to do is crimp your cord in there. Again, give it slack. And that will keep your cord nice and taut and out of the way when you're vacuuming. Now you just want to wrap your cord gently and loosely and try to go with the natural curve of the electrical cord. So let it untwist it. You don't want to wrap it tightly. And that will just clip right there. Now to release your cord, rotate this 180 degrees, and now you have your cord ready to go in your hand. To turn on your Softcase, you just hit this with your foot. Remember that this is a soft start motor, so it's not going to go roaring to life at first. It's going to take a second to get to full speed. To release the handle, there's a nice orange tab. Hold with your foot, and that will allow the machine to lie flat and release into your hand. Your SEBO Softcase has multiple height settings, 1 being the lowest, 4 being the highest, so you can set it for different piles of carpet. Your SEBO Softcase has several features, one of which is if you get something stuck in it, you can absolutely, whoops, it's spring-loaded, open this up, look in here, get in there if you need. If you want to clean the brush roller, there's a button right here, so you're going to press, rotate that up, so press, rotate. Then you're just going to pull off the end cap, give the brush roller a half twist, and it comes out. Brush roller is top rack, dishwasher safe. To reinsert, again, give it the locking twist. We're going to put this on and rotate it. Helps to lift up on the bristles, line everything up. Simple as that. The squeegee is a replaceable item, so ask your local dealer about that if you need one of those. I hope this has answered your questions about the SEBO Softcase. Thanks again for purchasing from Performance Vacuum. If you are out of the Colorado area and you wish to purchase one of these, feel free to give us a phone call. We're happy to ship you one as well. Have a great day.